पक्का विश्वास है।
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, along with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, today inaugurated the new infrastructures for the College of Teacher Education (PGT) Shillong, comprising of the new building funded by RUSA Meghalaya and the auditorium funded by North Eastern Council. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Sangma said there is definitely a need to see some expansion of the infrastructure in this college, as some expansion happened with the funding from the state government as well as from RUSA and from NEC, but much more is required. He also asked the principal of the college to submit an application on various needs and describing the situation. The approach road of the college was also inaugurated later.
There is definitely a need to see some sort of expansion. I'm happy to see that some expansion has taken place with the help of different fundings from state government as well as from RUSA and from NEC. But we can clearly see that there is much more that's required. So definitely, I'm not very clear, of course, as of now, on the needs that are there. I have requested Madam Principal to submit describing the entire situation that is there and sharing with us what the needs are. And definitely would be very keen to support in every way that is possible.